Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FXGlory. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FXGlory is a low-cost, beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2011 in the United Arab Emirates. FXGlory adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. To further protect client privacy, FXGlory uses 256-bit SSL encryption across the entire website, which is an HTTPS data encryption protocol that secures the transfer of sensitive data on the website. FXGlory also guarantees no requotes, zero slippage, and reliable trade execution. With FXGlory, you can start your trading career by depositing as little as $1. They offer a variety of forex pairs, precious metals, as well as oil. And there are 4 flexible trading accounts that you can choose from. Your FXGlory account can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 platform, and as a client, you can enjoy one-click and commission-free trading on all accounts. FXGlory offers a user-friendly website. You can easily find more information about their accounts, instruments, platforms, and trading conditions by navigating the menu bar. And there is a dedicated section for beginners, which makes it easy to start trading if you are a beginner. You can also use the menu bar to learn more about the promotions offered and the company's history. The support section makes it easy to contact the customer support team directly from the menu bar, and the landing page highlights some of the exclusive features offered by FXGlory, and they display their spreads and payment methods further down the page. FXGlory offers more than 50 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. They also offer gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, and we highly recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading oil. The FXGlory customer support team is available 24/7, and they have offices in Dubai, Malaysia, Spain, Cyprus, the United Kingdom, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They also have toll-free support numbers if you are calling from the United Kingdom or the United States. You can contact their customer support team directly via email or telephonically, and you can also connect with them via live chat or request a callback directly from the website. The broker offers a generous trading bonus of 50% for each deposit you make. And once you have opened a real account and it is verified, you can fund your account and claim a bonus of up to $1,000. FXGlory's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005. It comes with a variety of premium quality, built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution: basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, and more. MetaTrader 4 is an exceptional platform that offers a high level of customizability and security, and it is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. FXGlory also provides an economic calendar with real-time market forecasts and a margin calculator that can be used to evaluate the margin requirements of a position according to the given leverage and the account's base currency. FXGlory offers 4 types of trading accounts, as well as demo accounts and swap-free accounts. One of the main advantages of trading with FXGlory is that all their accounts are commission-free. The standard account is recommended for beginners and casual traders, and can be opened by depositing as little as $1. This account allows the highest maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000 and offers a 50% deposit bonus of up to $500. If you are a professional trader and you are looking for an account that allows higher leverage of up to 1 to 2,000 and a 50% deposit bonus of up to $1,000, then we recommend opening a premium account. The spreads on the standard and premium accounts are fixed and start at 2 pips, but they offer the highest leverage and biggest deposit bonuses. For traders who are planning on making bigger deposits, the VIP and CIP accounts offer the lowest fixed spreads, starting at 0.1 pips, with premium VPS services. You can make a deposit of either $5,000 on the VIP account, which will give you a 40% deposit bonus, 1 to 300 maximum leverage, and spreads starting from 0.7 pips. Or deposit $50,000 on the CIP account for a 100% hedging margin, and spreads starting as low as 0.1 pips. All accounts offer both instant and market order executions, and all accounts are commission-free and have fixed spreads. All of the accounts offered can also be converted to swap-free accounts, and there are no hidden fees. You also have the option of using a demo account to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds for up to 60 days. You will be able to use the MetaTrader 4 platform and tools with your demo account, and it is a great way to practice trading or to test new strategies. Creating an account with FXGlory may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the FXGlory homepage, and then click on the Open Live or Open Demo Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal, and once the account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. Once your account has been set up and is ready, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then log in with the credentials provided. If you are opening a demo account, you can simply open a new demo account within the MetaTrader 4 login page. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FXGlory. In the center you have your graph, on the left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, you can find a variety of helpful guides online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you with the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources and material, if you are new to trading, there are several articles that cover popular Forex topics, as well as some insightful beginner's guides on Forex trading and how you can start your trading career. There are also guides on predicting price movements using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and graphical analysis. And you can visit the FAQ section to find answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. Overall, there are many benefits to being an FXGlory client. This beginner-friendly broker offers commission-free trading with tight spreads and trading bonuses, and you can start trading with them for only $1. FXGlory provides 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer support, and they have international offices with direct telephone numbers for your convenience. so you will never have to worry about not getting the assistance that you need. If you are interested, be sure to open your FXGlory account today to claim your 50% bonus for a head start in your trading career. And that is our overview of FXGlory. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.